This is best if it goes on first with regards to the fractionated coconut oil or FCO before the essential oils. And then FCO is Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. The doTERRA fractionated coconut oil is an all-natural carrier oil that readily absorbs into your skin, making it an ideal oil for topical delivery. Its feather-light emollient effect provides a soothing barrier without clogging pores and is excellent for dry or troubled skin. It leaves your skin feeling silky smooth and non-greasy, unlike other vegetable carrier oils. Fractionated coconut oil is completely soluble with all essential oils and is colorless, odorless, and will not stain. Coconut oil has an SPF of about 4 and stands for sun protection factor. An SPF of 30 allows about 3% of UVB rays to hit your skin, and an SPF of 50 allows about 2% of those rays through. If your skin would normally turn red after 10 minutes in the sun, applying something with an SPF of 15 would allow you to stay in the sun without that happening for approximately 150 minutes, a factor of 15 times longer. This is a rough estimate and depends on skin type, intensity of sunlight, and the amount of sun protection used. SPF is actually a measure of protection from the amount of UVB exposure and is not meant to help you determine duration of exposure. Using a natural, water-resistant, broad-spectrum sun protection with an SPF of 30 or higher for any extended outdoor activity above 15 minutes is recommended. I prefer a recipe that includes coconut oil, a non-nano zinc oxide, and doTERRA's lavender or helichrysum essential oil, but no citrus oils since they can cause sun sensitivity. Regardless of the SPF, it's important to apply 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons 30 minutes before going outside and reapply it every 2 hours or immediately after swimming, sweating, or showering. When it comes to the common use of doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil, it is topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. And the main benefits of the fractionated coconut oil are that it moisturizes your skin, spreads the concentration of essential oils out, and helps essential oils absorb better into your skin. The directions for use are applying 3 to 5 drops of an essential oil per 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil and rubbing it into your skin. This is best if it goes on first with regards to the fractionated coconut oil or FCO before the essential oils. And then FCO is an odorless, non-greasy, non-staining carrier oil that doesn't clog your pores, and it's great for DIY or do-it-yourself deodorant recipes, massages, and facial routines. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.